Maybe there are still some friends who are still confused about how to print certain pages in Microsoft Word, but the method is very easy. First of all, open the Word document that we will print on a certain page. Then go to the Print menu. After that, Friends, pay attention to the Settings section. Friends, change from Print All Pages to Print Custom Range. Or Friends, you can directly fill in the pages that we want to print in the Pages section. The rule for writing pages to be filled in is 1 to 5 to print pages 1 to 5 only. Or you can also set the pages to be printed, namely pages 1, 3, 5 to 12, which means only pages 1, 3, 5 to 12 will be printed while pages 2 and 4 will not. Fill in according to the page you want to print or print. After that, click Print to continue with the printing process. So how about it, friends? It's easy, right? That's how to print non-consecutive pages or certain pages in Microsoft Word.